In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Dogecoin on the Robinhood app. If you don't have the Robinhood app, you can sign up with the link in the description and get a free stock. Once you have the Robinhood app and you have it all set up, you're going to want to add some money to your account, and it'll show right under this chart here. It'll say buying power. So I currently have $11 in my account that I can use to spend or buy stuff. Stocks, Bitcoin, assets, whatever. So then we want to go to the crypto tab on the bottom. You can see I currently have $0 of crypto in my account. We can scroll down, you can see like tradable and non-tradable. You just want to do show all for tradable, and this will show all 15 cryptocurrencies that are tradable on Robinhood. From here, I just want to go to Dogecoin. Dogecoin down about 1% today. You can scroll down and get tons of info here. You can also send and receive Dogecoin in the Robinhood app now, which is pretty nice. Previously, that wasn't a feature and it was kind of scary to hold your crypto here, but they have been making some improvements. So let's tap buy. I'm just going to buy $2.50 of Dogecoin. You can see this is a one-time purchase, but you can do reoccurring purchases if you want. I'm going to tap review. It's going to give me my order details here. Then I'm going to swipe up to submit. Just like that, I've purchased 42.51 Dogecoin. We can view the order if we want. It's going to give us all of our order details and tap done. Not now. So your position, 42.51, value $2.49. It's going to show my average cost and the percentage of my portfolio there. Let's go back to the home screen. So we're on the crypto tab and this shows my current holdings of Doge. We can also go to the home screen and see that crypto is added in here now. So it'll show the cryptocurrencies that I hold and the stocks that I hold. And if I want to do anything with this Dogecoin, of course I can tap on it. I can buy more, I can sell, I can send it somewhere else. Definitely check out the other videos on my channel. There's thousands of tutorials for stuff like this. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.